Hey everybody, GT here from GT's Barbecue. It's about 5:45. I just decided to shut my laptop down for the day, and we decided to have a stir fry. We're going to do a stir fried chicken tonight on the Blackstone. So stay tuned, we'll be right back and get this started. Okay, let's go over the ingredients we're going to use tonight. I have here 2 cups of uncooked rice, which is now been cooked, obviously. I have what is this? A 14-ounce bag of mixed vegetables. We've got broccoli, carrots, peas, water chestnuts, baby corn, red peppers, mushrooms, onions, and bamboo shoots. So I think that's going to be pretty good. I have a couple of chicken breasts here that I've cubed up into about 3/4 inch cubes. I have a 1/2 cup of chopped onions, and I made up a little mix here of a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of regular soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of hoisin sauce, hope I said that right, and a 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. So I've already got this all mixed up. We're going to pour this onto the mixture once I get it grilled. So stay tuned. I'll be right back and we'll get this thing going. Okay, let's get this party started. We have 4 burners here. I have these 3 on medium high. I have this one off so we can move things to the side as we go along. I'm going to put down a little bit of olive oil. A friend of mine in Popeyes. Spread, spread, spreadaroo, technical term. Get our onions on here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my veggies. These were frozen. I know it's hard to tell. Oh yeah. It's already starting to smell good. And I am going to lightly season these with a little bit of my homemade SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, just a little bit. In there a little bit so you can kind of see that. Oh yeah, these veggies are already soft, looking good, smelling good. I think they're right where I want them to be. So I'm going to move these off to the side, let them stay warm. Once again, I do have that far right burner completely off. So it's time to get our chicken going. Once again, a little bit of olive oil. Spread, spread, spreadaroo, technical term. This is going to cook pretty fast. Man, I wish you could smell that. I know you heard me say that a lot, but wow, that smells good. My neighbors raise chickens, and man, they're going crazy right now. They're wondering what in the heck is going on over here. Okay, so these are, I'd say 95% done. I want them to cook a little bit more, but I want to go ahead and get the rice started. All we're going to do is warm it up. It's already cooked, as I said, but I'm going to move this over here with the veggies. Put down a little more oil. It's important that you get the proper flour design when you put your oil down. That's a big deal. Kind of a pro tip there. And let's get our rice brought to the party here. Alright, that's already starting to get warm. We're going to go ahead and bring our chicken and veggies back to the party. Oh, I'm going to go ahead. Oh, I pity the fool that doesn't have a stir fry like this. Man, this is going to be awesome. This will be lunch for days. Probably dinner too. Hope everybody out there is staying safe and enjoying their social distancing as much as they can. Oh yeah, look at that. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce, which I probably should have added a little bit ago, but I completely forgot I had it. Get that mixed in here. That's not going to take long. Okay, that's pretty much all there is to it. Chicken's done. Veggies are looking good. The smell is incredible. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up, take it inside, and we'll see what we get. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss what's coming up next. Okay, let's take a look and see what we have here. We have a nice looking plate. Oh man, that smells delicious. And I have quite a bit left over here for 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 lunches or dinners. So I'm going to take a quick bite here. Get some chicken, get some rice, get a carrot in here. Oh man. The chicken just melts in your mouth. The spices are perfect. Dang. Definitely a hit. Thanks so much for watching. If you're so inclined, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.